Welcome back. Today we're going to make your Chrome browser as secure as possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to protect your online privacy and keep your account safe using the tools and features built right into Chrome. Whether you're a casual user, handling sensitive work, or just want peace of mind while browsing, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's dive right in, starting with general maintenance and account security, which is truly the foundation of a secure browsing experience. First up, updating your software. Now, I know this might sound basic, but keeping Chrome, your operating system, and your apps up to date is absolutely crucial. Updates aren't just about new features. They patch security holes that hackers could exploit. So if that Update Now notification has been sitting on your screen for a while, take a moment today to let it finish. Even a short delay can expose you to risks. So treat software updates like changing the batteries in your smoke detector. Necessary, easy, and worth it for the protection you get. Next, let's talk passwords. It's tempting to reuse the same password across several accounts, but this is a major security pitfall. If one account gets compromised, all your accounts with that password are at risk. Instead, use strong and unique passwords for every account. Chrome has a built-in password manager, or you can use trusted options like LastPass or 1Password. These tools generate complex random passwords and store them safely, so you only have to remember one master password. Think of it like having a vault. The stronger the lock, the safer your treasures. Moving on, we need to take a closer look at browser extensions. A lot of us install extensions for added functionality, maybe an ad blocker or a productivity tool, but every extension has access to your browser data, so it's important to review them regularly. Open Chrome's extension manager and remove anything you don't recognize or no longer use. If you're unsure about one, look at reviews and permissions, and only install new extensions from sources you trust. It's a bit like cleaning out your fridge. If you don't know where something came from or haven't used it in a while, it's better to toss it. Here's a really valuable built-in feature: Chrome's Safety Check. Head to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and you'll see Safety Check. With a single click, Chrome scans for compromised passwords, harmful extensions, and pending updates. It's a kind of digital health checkup. Don't worry if this part takes a few minutes. Chrome is just working behind the scenes to keep you safe. Now let's fine-tune your security settings. In that same Privacy and Security section, go into Security. Here, I recommend you choose Enhanced Protection for safe browsing. Enhanced Protection gives you real-time alerts about dangerous sites, downloads, and suspicious behavior. If you're ever unsure, this setting is like having a guard dog that barks before trouble arrives. Another easy but powerful adjustment: enable Always Use Secure Connections. For this, stay in the Security menu and toggle on Always Use Secure Connections. This forces Chrome to use HTTPS, that's the secure version of websites, wherever possible. Imagine it like always locking the door behind you instead of sometimes leaving it open. It keeps your data encrypted as it travels across the internet. Finally, let's talk about DNS security. Still in the security settings, find Use Secure DNS. Turning this on ensures all your domain lookups are encrypted, making it much harder for anyone to snoop on the sites you visit or tamper with your browsing. You can choose a provider like Cloudflare or Google for reliable encryption. And that's it. These steps go a long way in keeping your Chrome experience safe and secure. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides on tech security and smarter browsing. Stay safe out there.